Are you struggling with a scroll view inside a PanResponder in React Native? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue when implementing tab navigators with swiping functionality. Today, we will dive into this problem and find a solution together. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your tab navigator resets to the first tab just because you tried to drag a scroll view. This is a common challenge, and it's important to know that you're not the only one dealing with it. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why does my tab navigator reset when I drag the scroll view sideways?" They mentioned that swiping works fine, but dragging the scroll view causes issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's happening here? When you drag the scroll view and move sideways, the PanResponder gets confused, causing the tab system to reset. This can be a tricky situation, but understanding the mechanics behind it is the first step to finding a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that can help you manage this issue without compromising your tab content. To address the issue with the scroll view inside the tab navigator, the user should first modify the PanResponder configuration. This will help manage the gestures more effectively. Next, the user should implement a state variable to track whether the scroll view is currently being scrolled. This will help prevent the tab from resetting when the user drags sideways. Then, the user needs to adjust the onPanResponder move method. This adjustment will ensure that swiping is only allowed when the scroll view is not being scrolled. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that swiping between tabs works seamlessly without resetting when dragging the scroll view. Fun fact, did you know that React Native was developed by Facebook and is used in their mobile apps? It's a powerful tool, but even the best tools can have quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution is suggested by another user. They recommend using a utility called React Native Scroll Locky. This library allows you to lock the scroll direction of your scroll view, preventing conflicts between horizontal swiping and vertical scrolling. With this approach, the scroll view will only respond to the specified direction, eliminating confusion between the two gesture handlers. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests modifying your view controller. They recommend implementing a function that allows simultaneous gesture recognition. This can be done by returning true in the gesture recognizer method. Here's a pro tip. Always test your gestures thoroughly. Different devices can behave differently, so make sure to check your implementation on multiple screens. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your scroll view should work seamlessly within your tab navigator. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on React Native development.